Hello, in this video, we're going to find the roots of the quadratic equation written below here. So first thing we're going to do is identify our coefficients. And as you can see, A is 8, B is 7, and C is -3. All right, and the quadratic formula helps us find the roots of any quadratic equation. So let's go ahead and write that quadratic formula over here to the right. And so that is x equals, we have -b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac. And that is all over 2a. Okay, so now we're going to substitute the values. So we're going to substitute a equals 8, b equals 7, and c equals -3 into this formula. So let's go ahead and do that. So let's rewrite this here. So x equals, and we have negative, and then b is 7. And then we have plus or minus. And we have the square root. Let me just go ahead and write this out. So we have b squared minus 4 times a times c. Okay, and so again, b is 7, a is 8, and c is -3. This is all over 2 times a, and we know that a is 8. Okay, so let's go ahead and simplify what's underneath the square root. So we have x equals -7 plus or minus, and we know that 7 squared is the same as 7 times 7, which is 49, minus 4 times 8 is 32, times -3, and that is over 2 times 8, which is 16. Simplify further, we have x equals -7 plus or minus, and we have 49 minus 32 times -3 is -96. And this is over, of course, 16. So simplify one more time. X equals -7 plus or minus. And I want you to take a look at 49 minus -96. This is a double negative, right? The negative signs are sitting right beside each other. So I want you to look at this as being a positive. Turn it into a positive. So that's saying 49 plus 96. Okay, so let's continue on. And 49 plus 96 is 145. And that is over 16. So this is our final answer, but I also want you to know that there are two possible roots. And so one for the plus sign and one for the minus sign. I will move that right over here to the left. So x1 is equal to -7 plus the square root of 145 over 16. And then x2 equals -7 minus the square root of 145 over 16. So that is it for this particular problem, and that is how you find the roots of a quadratic equation step by step using the quadratic formula. So keep practicing and stay tuned for more calm, clear Algebra 1 lessons right here on Math by TV.